So what do? So first of all, you probably have a time frame that you've been given in that letter or in your policy to provide that proof of loss back. You should do your best to comply with that time frame. If you don't, you're giving the insurance company a possible excuse to deny your claim. Now, it's not automatic, and I'll do another video on what happens if you did blow that deadline, but if you can avoid it, you should. And what do you do when you're trying to avoid it? You put as much information in that proof of loss as you have available. That might be only a partial amount for your damages because you've only got part of it. It might be literally saying on the form, I don't know yet. If you're putting down information that you're not sure is the whole number, just say that on the form or in the email or letter that you send with the form. You can say, this is my best guess based on what I have now. Or I've gotten one bid for part of my damage and there might be more damage that I will give to you later, and submit that in a time frame. You might get a request from the insurance company down the road for more information or a second proof of loss, but you've taken away their excuse to deny your claim on technicality.